Hi, hello.
Baljit Singh.
Hi, hello, Ayar. How are you?
Fine, Mister.
Yep. So we are just waiting for them to come in,
Okay.
and then
And
we can start.
okay.
Right.
latar belakang biasanya bisa ada, tapi gimana?
Rupa itu nan.
Nah, enggak itu aku juga lupa juga.
Terus ada awal kita
Ini recording views enggak.
Oh,
Galeri apa tuh galeri?
ini tampilan dong.
Iya enggak tampilan belakangnya.
Pak, punya Bapak, Pak.
Bukan, kayaknya bukan punya aku deh.
Punya siapa ya?
Tapi aku lupa tuh nanti yang kita cari ya.
Oke. Kalau dengar.
Biasanya tuh backgroundnya gitu loh.
Maybe we wait for another 5 more minutes before we start. Is it okay, IR? So IR Aji, are you ready?
Halo, Mr. Baljit.
Yep. So I was just thinking, are you ready for the talk?
Okay, I will propose and prepare for presentation.
Yeah, okay. So maybe you can log in and then share your screen, and then we give it 5
Yes.
more minutes, then we start. Is it okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Hai, Dr. Majid. Syaha ya.
Ya, Syaha.
Yep.
Ya,
So,
so tengok you boleh masukkan what do you call that, our members or not?
Yang ini, Ci. Bukan yang ini, Ci. Sorry, salah. Cancel lah.
Bos.
Kalau mau masuk ini berbesar nggak kalau berbesar? Halo?
Yep, hello.
I will ready.
Yes,
ready.
so if you are ready, we'll start because most of the participants are in another, yes, they are hidden from here. So they are also joining us. So let me just introduce you before you start. Good morning, everyone. So we are really privileged to have with us IR Aji Dikdoyo from Indonesia. So he has got what do you call that various experiences in project management. He's got both Bachelor of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, and also Master of Science in Environmental of Science from University of Indonesia. And he's a doctoral student in Mechanical Engineering in University of Diponegoro. And he has worked on various courses related to project management for Future Haki Jakarta in 1996, and also courses on environmental impact analysis for Universitas Indonesia, and so on. So without further ado, I would like to invite IR Aji Dikdoyo to start his presentation. So, so the screen is yours, IR. So if there's anything, we will, what do you call that, request for Q&A at the end of your presentation. So the screen is yours. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Baljit. I will start to this presentation. This presentation, energy and energy conversion machine. In this presentation, we will separate item. Number one, introduction, included energy, and then energy resource, included income energy and capital energy, and number three, energy conversion machine, and the latest innovation and current. Sorry, not saw it.
Yeah, I think the screen,
Okay.
Slides.
Problem screen. Mati-mati.
So you can just share your screen. I think there's a phone nearby. That's why there's interference.
Enggak, tadi lagi.
Ini nyala, ini.
Okay, Mr. Baljit, can we continue?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. I want to return again for this presentation. Number one is introduction, included energy. And then number two, energy resource, included income energy and capital energy. Number three, energy conversion machine, and the latest innovation and current trends. For the first, I will definition of energy. Energy or force to do something, or ability to do works. In energy unit is joule, BTU, British Thermal Unit, and calorie. Energy requirement need by human for culture. Example for transportation like plane, mobile, and other. The dominant most energy today, energy from fuel, coal, and gases. Energy utilization. Early 20th century, factor economy is dominant, but nowadays factor economy, factor energy, and ecology factor can be driven for energy conversion and development a new energy resource. And then typical of energy. The typical of energy general two component. The first transitional energy and storage energy. Transitional energy is energy that is motion and can be crossing system. But in stored energy is tangible in massa and can be easily converted into the transitional energy. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I
Just
think,
problem screen.
yeah.
Okay. Continue. The energy classification. Energy divided into 6 main groups. Number 1, mechanical energy, electrical energy, electromagnetic energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, and thermal energy. Mechanical energy. Number 1 is mechanical energy. Energy can be used to move. For example, torsi. Torsi with equation force cross radius. Yeah, torsi is force cross radius, where force is tangential force with unit Newton, and R is radius with unit meter. Mechanical energy forms category transitional form. Example is work. And mechanical energy can be stored in form of kinetic energy and potential energy. Energy kinetic is energy related to the mass of the certain object. For example, in object with m. M is moving with speed v, or flywheel. Flywheel with inertia, mass inertia, and turn with angular velocity omega. Energy kinetics 1.5 meter v quadrat, or in flywheel energy kinetic 0.5 e cross angular velocity v. Another mechanical energy is potential energy. Potential energy, energy possessed by one object, for example, in compressed fluid, where energy potential is V cross V, where V is pressure and V is volume, with volume, and energy potential can be happened in spring elastic strain, where energy potential is 0.5 V delta X, or 0.05 is cross Q X quadrat, where Q is the delta. Or in another typical for potential energy with massa position in gravitation. This man with height from object. For some equation for energy potential is massa cross gravitation cross Z, where mass is massa in kilogram and G gravitation meters per second quadrat, and Z is height object reference. This is typical energy potential in mechanical fluida, in spring strain, or in massa position in gravitation. And the latest mechanical energy is totally energy potential plus energy kinetics. For example, this is a condition for energy potential, and this for energy kinetics. And finish, this is mechanical energy, where have question potential energy plus energy kinetics. Another electrical energy. Electrical energy is type of energy related with the flow and accumulation electron. This is equation for electrical energy E with equation V cross E cross D, or finally E quadrat cross R cross D, where E current, R resistance, and T is time. Sometimes electrical energy can be stored as electrical static energy. Included electrical energy with induction field energy. This typical example. And number 3, electromagnetic energy. Electromagnetic energy is a form of energy related to the radiation of electromagnetic wave. Equation for electromagnetic energy is A equal H cross V. H is Planck constant and V is frequency. Based on the radiation source of wavelength divided as gamma radiation, X-ray radiation, thermal radiation, ultraviolet radiation, where ultraviolet radiation is have high temperature, infrared radiation have radiation with low temperature, and microwave radiation. Number 4, chemical energy. Chemical energy is combination molecule with produce stable compound chemical. Chemical energy only exists in the form energy storage, and combustion is the most important as exothermic chemical reaction. This is a sample for chemical industry. If carbon plus oxygen produce say carbon oxygen, where produce calorie or heatnya is 110.38 kilogram mole carbon. This is a sample for chemical industry, including reaction and oxygen needs. Number 5, nuclear energy. Nuclear energy can divide radioactive decay, fusion reaction, dan fusion reaction. And number 6, latest thermal energy. Thermal energy form transitional. Example, heat. Thermal energy can be stored in heat sensible and heat latent. Sensible heat is stored is combined by change temperature, but latent heat storage is followed by phase change and isothermics. This is different between sensible heat or latent heat, where sensible heat storage is combined by change temperature, but latent heat storage is followed of phase change and isothermic. Energy sources, we have two groups. The first is incoming energy, and 2 is capital energy. Income energy, energy reached to the earth from outer space, but capital energy is energy that already in the earth. Example, fossil energy or geothermal energy. For energy, for example, ada solar energy and lunar energy. Explained it for celestial energy, including all possible sources providing energy to Earth from outer space. Example, electromagnetic, energi meteor, solar energy, dan energy gravitation. Energy resources, capital energy is atomic energy, included nuclear energy and chemical energy. And for geothermal energy in Indonesia, we have Kamojang, Gunung Salak, and Lahendong. This is a location for geothermal energy. It important in energy. We have now unit power and energy. Power is flow of energy, where P delta A divide delta T, or A integral P delta T. International system standard in unit of measurement following the name unit meter and abbreviation or symbol M. Mass unit kilogram, abbreviation kilogram, and time second and second. We have international system of unit, included derivative unit. For example, frequency, the name hertz, symbol hertz, and force, name Newton and symbol, and pressure, name Pascal, a symbol PA. In basic energy conversion, if we have water, will potential and move to kinetic, wind energy kinetic, and then mechanical electrical, solar, electromagnetic, thermal, or electrical. And sea wave, kinetic, and electrical. In energy conversion machine is very important because machine or combination of machine to convert one form of energy into other form energy that can be utilized by humans. Scope for energy conversion machine is fuel combustion, internal combustion, turbine, pump, and compressor. And application for energy conversion machine for power plant, transportation, lighting, and industry process. And classification of energy conversion machine based on function, as moving and as being moved. As moving, example, motor, turbine, and engine propulsion. And for being moved is pump and compressor. For energy transfer and energy analysis, we have equation specific of energy. Specific energy depend on M. M is kilogram. Energy E per E. Energy kinetic M. This indicated M for important in specific energy. Jadi energi potensial F P M G Z, kilojoule, but in specific of energy GZ, kilojoule per kilogram. This is indicator for specific or energy. Energy total, energy specific, AU plus AQ plus EP equal U plus V quadrat divided 2 plus GZ. This is energy if heat, key integration T1 T2 key cross delta T, ya. This is a typical energy transfer in work. V cross, divide M. This is form in work mechanic, and work in shaft. Work in shaft is F cross R. F force in tangential, and R is radius. And work shaft W south is F cross S, where F is gaya tangan gaya and S is cross rotation. Ya. This is typical walking in spring and people walking on silent roads. Ya. The force of thermodynamic. In the first thermodynamic, S balance, E ends, E in, out, equal, E system, where system energy change E cross E2, E1. Ya. This is a question for energy potential, Mg, Z2 minus Z1. This energy transfer mechanism, we have head transfer, number one, and work transfer and mass flow. And then for rate constant in delta T, key is key cross delta T and V cross delta T. For important in energy conversion is performance. Performance is output expected divided input or amount head in combustion divided heating value. And the latest innovation and current trends. We see color energy, voltaic energy, and wind energy is innovation and current trends. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, IR Aji. Perhaps I think there are a few questions here, so maybe I will read it to them. So one question is on geothermal energy in Indonesia. So what is the future planning for geothermal energy for in terms of power generation where Indonesia is concerned?
Geothermal in Indonesia, we have only two, Lumajang and geothermal is related environment friendly energy resource that is derived from energy inner heat. Exploration cost always as the capital cost, and geothermal plant is higher than for plant that offer fossil fuel. This is important for geothermal energy. In propose Indonesia, only Lamojang, only two, Lamojang and total energy is estimated. Lamojang. Tadi ada harga-harga. Tadi sebelum ini. 1.167 megawatt in Indonesia totally for Lamojang. Ya, Indonesia total estimated use geothermal energy is 1.167 megawatt.
Okay, all right. I think that's quite a lot in terms of what you call that the potential that is there. Now maybe we look at the second one. what is the future direction in terms of power generation? Is Indonesia going to look into renewable energy?
Yep. In Indonesia, like for renewable energy, for example, just moment. For example, totally renewable energy in Indonesia have planned 31.6 gigawatts. This is very important, and estimate for 2024 until 2030. Indonesia have state utility plan for renewable is 31.6 gigawatts.
Okay, so I think that's quite a lot in terms of what do you call that? The potential of renewable energy. One last question.
Yep.
Indonesia being with so many islands,
Yep.
I'm sure to have a grid connection is a big issue. So how is this basically overcome?
Pardon?
Because you have so many islands, so
Yep.
you cannot connect them with lines.
Yep.
Grid connected electricity. So how do they solve electrical problem?
Electrical problem.
Yeah.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
Connecting in electricity supply in Indonesia, we have and then water and gas.
Okay.
Jadi, for electricity, we can use water and gas.
All right. All right.
Totally for electricity Indonesia is estimated for cost $1.450
All right.
per kWh.
Okay.
Kilowatt hours.
Mhm.
Dr. Baji, I have one question.
Yes. Yes.
Currently, how many percent of electrical generation generated by coal-fired power plant?
Yep. So coal fire plant, Arang Batu. How
Batu
many
Arang.
percent? Yeah.
In coal fire power plant in Indonesia, we have estimated 50 gigawatts estimated for coal-fired SD 50 gigawatts.
Okay. All right.
So
So that is
the one is how many percent of the total electrical generation for Indonesia?
Percentage estimate. Okay, just a minute. We're going to looking in my data. Percentage 6.6%. Coal mining account for around totally is 6.6% for Indonesia in national gross development product production. Estimasi 6.6% for total nasional.
okay. Okay. I think so. Thank you, IR Aji. I think that
Yep.
answers all the question. I think with
Yep.
that, we can finish the presentation. So, terima kasih banyak-banyak IR Aji for giving us.
Terima kasih sama-sama,
yeah.
Mr. Bagisi. Yep.
Yeah. Because you are
Thank
with us, sharing your knowledge on power plant technologies. And I hope this has been a very good exposure to the students. I will also share the recording of the presentation today with Sir Reza. So then maybe you can also have a copy, and then any other documentation like certificates and all those things, I will also share it with Sir Reza later on. All right. So with that, I thank you IR Aji for your presentation today. Terima kasih dan jumpa lagi.
Terima kasih sama-sama.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
So.